What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video we are checking out the ultimate power bank. This is really the only power bank you'll ever need. If you need to charge your phone, if you need to charge your laptop, your headphones or any other device that you need charging, this is the only power bank you'll ever need. So what we have here today, it's called the CUKTECH 15 Ultra. And you're probably wondering, why is this so special? Well, first things first, this has a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity, but sure, there are many other power banks available on the market that have a similar capacity. But this one does what all the other ones cannot do. So this one can charge with up to 165 watts. So if you are charging this at 165 watts from 0 to 100 in 45 minutes, with a lot of power banks, 20,000, 30,000 milliamp power banks, you literally have to charge them overnight. It takes many hours. This one, within 45 minutes, it is full. So these two USB-C ports that we have at the top here can charge the power bank simultaneously, so both at the same time. So if you have a charger like this that outputs 100 watts and a charger like this that outputs 65 watts, just to give you an example, you could plug both of them in to the power bank and charge the power bank very fast. So basically, because this power bank charges so insanely fast, the quick 10-minute charge will give you a full charge for your iPhone, a full charge for your Samsung device, your Poco device, your Honor device, or whatever device you may have. So a quick 10-minute charge in the morning, if you forgot to charge everything overnight, will give you a lot of battery life for your devices throughout the day. So that is the main advantage with a power bank like this. It charges extremely fast. But there is more. So the maximum output from this power bank is 210 watts. That is insane. So I showed you earlier that the power bank has two USB-C ports and a USB-A port right here. So from one of those USB-C ports, the maximum output is 140 watts. On the second one is 65 watts and 33 watts from the USB-A port. So basically, it doesn't matter what kind of a phone you have. If you have an iPhone, if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, if you have an Honor device or a Poco device, basically any device that you will have, this power bank will be able to charge it at the maximum charging speed. Now, unfortunately, iPhones charge slow because, well, they charge slow. Samsung devices also charge pretty slow, maybe somewhat faster than iPhones. But when you're talking about devices like a Poco X7 Pro here or this Honor Magic 7 Pro, these devices charge very fast, and this power bank is able to deliver that power that these devices need. And the same goes for laptops. Laptops typically charge fast, and this power bank will be able to power your laptop very fast as well. So pretty much any device that you have, you will be able to charge from this power bank at its maximum charging speed, because this supports a wide range of fast charging protocols as well. So it doesn't matter what kind of a device you have, you will be able to charge it at its maximum charging speed from this power bank here. Alright, so next we are gonna do a bit of a charging test. Right here we have the Honor Magic 7 Pro. That one can charge up to 100 watts. Then we have the Poco X7 Pro. That one can charge up to 90 watts. And unfortunately the S25 that can only do up to 25 watts. So we're gonna be plugging all three devices in. So as soon as you plug devices in, they're gonna tell you that they know that they're gonna be charging at their maximum charging speed from our power bank. Let's lower the brightness here so you can actually see this a bit better, maybe a bit higher. Next, we are gonna plug in our Poco device. So we'll get our Poco device here. We'll plug this one in. Wired top speed. Okay, so if we turn this off, actually let's unplug it and we'll plug it here. So just like the previous device, this is gonna show us that it will be charging at its maximum charging speed. We'll give it a second, we'll leave it unlocked. And lastly, we are gonna charge our Samsung Galaxy S24 here. Alright, so it's been a few minutes since I plugged those devices in. The Honor Magic 7 Pro, it's currently pulling about 59 watts. Then we have the Poco device that's pulling about 70 watts. And our Samsung Galaxy S24 is pulling about 9 watts. The power bank is also showing us how long it has this current discharge to reach 0%. So in about 3 minutes at this current discharge, the battery will get to 0%. So also great to know that as well. So basically any devices that you have, they're gonna be able to charge at the maximum charging speed from this power bank. Alright, taking a quick look at the power bank itself, it is very well built, but this is not the first CUKTECH power bank that I got to try. I also have their larger capacity power bank here, and I had another one, a smaller capacity one as well. So it is very well built, it is mostly made out of plastic, and on the front here we also have a display. The display will show you the input power, the output power for each port, and you can also make certain changes from this little button that we have on the front of the power bank here. So everything you need to know, it's right on that screen. The power bank comes in this box. Right here inside the box, you're gonna get a cable. You also get this carrying pouch. Another thing worth mentioning about this power bank, and I'm mentioning this because I've tried many power banks, and with some of them you cannot do this. So a very important thing for me is the fact that you can actually charge devices from this while this is charging itself. With some other brands, you cannot charge devices from them while the power banks are charging. So very important to know. So this can charge and you can charge other devices from it. Alright, so for this super quick test, we have the power bank connected to the CUKTECH 10 charger. So you can see that the power bank is actually charging. And we also have the Poco X7 Pro connected to the power bank charging from the power bank. So you can charge the power bank and you can charge other devices from the power bank as well. And this is the charging speed and the discharging speed as well. So basically the power bank is charging at 91 watts and the Poco X7 Pro, it's pulling about 56 watts at this time. And for those times when you're at home and you don't necessarily need a power bank, there are also these kind of chargers. So for example, this is the CUKTECH 10. This has a maximum output of 100 watts. So combine the 100 watts for the two USB-C ports and that USB-A port. But this will be perfect to charge your laptop, for example, or any devices that can take a lot of power. So definitely not your iPhone, because your iPhone always charges very slow. There is also this one. This has a maximum output of 65 watts. So this one will still do good for laptops, for your iPhone and whatever other phone you have. So for those times when you're at home and you don't need to use a power bank, you can basically charge any devices that you have at their maximum charging speed from these power adapters right here. So there you have it. This was a super quick look at the CUKTECH 15 Ultra, the CUKTECH 10 charger, and the smaller one that outputs 65 watts. Thanks CUKTECH for sponsoring this video. As always, there will be some links in the video's description so you can check out this power bank, this charger here, and the smaller one here. And I've also made a video a few months back for this larger capacity power bank as well, and I will leave a link to that in the video's description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.